In this video, I'll show you how to take your bedroom from boring to wow with budget-friendly tips, and in the end, you will know how to revamp a tired-looking bedroom without breaking the bank. So, let's jump straight into the video. When it comes to decorating your bedroom, the first and most important thing is choosing the theme of the bedroom. That said, you need to choose a bedroom theme that reflects your personality, characteristics, and needs. This is important because it will not only help you stay within your budget, but it will also help to provide direction and cohesiveness to your decorating efforts. But if you are unsure of what kind of theme you would like, worry not, I will guide you, so keep watching. I'll start off with examples of bedroom themes, just to give you a better idea of where to start. So, 1. We have contemporary theme. This theme can be described with these 3 words: modern, sleek, and simple. This is simply for those who want to go for a minimalistic look, but still stylish. I strongly recommend it to people who struggle to identify with a particular theme, and those who are looking to design a smaller bedroom. Also, if you are not designing your bedroom from scratch, then it's also a great solution. When it comes to accessorizing, you will incorporate monochromatic and neutral shades with a bold quilt, cushion, or throw. And the interior accents should be subtle to ensure any stylish. Bold accents take the center stage. 2 is the luxury theme. This theme looks and feels decadent. I find that it works best in spacious bedrooms due to the bedroom furniture and accessories being on the bulky side. Other characteristics of these luxury themes are heavy fabrics, excess drapery, bold, royal colors, and not to forget a touch of metallic shine. The materials visually scream opulence, and some good examples include velvet, fur, and silk. 3 is the natural organic theme. This theme helps you bring the outside inside, because it tends to be packed with raw materials and textures. Well, think of creating simplistic serenity with a soft, distressed timber furniture style, like the lakeside bed frame, and feature a well-placed houseplant to accentuate the space. If you decide to go with this theme then, choose warm and earthy tones. But while color palettes within this theme tends to lean more towards earthy greens and browns, it shouldn't limit you from playing with other colors because it can work just as well with other neutral, but nature-inspired palettes like sand or stone. 4 is the classic style theme. This theme is best described as comfortable and simple, but with a touch of elegance. It sits somewhere between or within country classic and French provincial styles. This could be going for traditional furniture pieces, but in subtle or sophisticated tones, which sit well in a neutral space to help ensure it never goes out of style. It helps create a timeless space. But this theme is not for those who are interested in making loud noises in their bedrooms. I hope this helps because I understand choosing a theme may seem challenging, but I hope these ideas will give you the confidence to design a bedroom which speaks to you. Clever lighting is crucial when it comes to decorating your bedroom. That's because it will help create a cozy and relaxing space, and this includes both artificial and natural lighting. So, we'll start off with artificial lighting. If you want to create a luxurious and stylish look in your bedroom, then a bedside lighting is a simple way to do it. I recommend you add lighting to these key areas. 1. If you have a limited space, then wall-mounted bedside lamps is a great way to achieve stylish bedside lighting in the bedroom. I also love an uplighter wall light because it provides soft lighting that is diffused around the room for an overall relaxing glow. It provides both practical illumination and decoration. But I recommend avoiding bright lighting directly above the bed because it is often too harsh for a relaxing bedtime ambiance. Instead, go for a bedside lighting at eye level that will add a warm glow to help you unwind and get ready to snooze. 2. A string of fairy lights arranged along your headboard, integrated lighting in a wardrobe, and good task lighting around your dressing table are other great bedroom lighting ideas. 3. Another cozy way to transform your space is through wall-hung sconces or hanging festoon styles, or changing the light bulb by picking warm, soft white light bulbs to emit a relaxing yellow hue. This can make a massive difference to your bedroom. I love adding sconces because it makes a bedroom look extra elevated, and they don't need to be drilled into the wall to look great. This means you don't have to hire an electrician. Instead, opt for plug-in sconces with wires that can easily be tucked behind the bed frame. So, why not picture your room with these sconces at either side of your bed? I'm sure through your imagination, you can already feel the bedroom is more inviting and polished. Before I forget, don't forget to style your nightstand to make your bedroom room feel more glamorous. You can easily do this by choosing a cute lamp and adding in a fake plant. Then finish off by hanging something small in the empty wall space behind the tabletop. For budget-friendly lighting accessories, I have pinned on the comment section our top choices. Enough with the artificial lighting, but I'll finish this section with one pro tip that will guide you when adding artificial lighting to your bedroom. Your bedroom should have at least 2 or 3 sources of light. A bedroom will need between 10 and 20 lumens per square foot of space, so you may want to multiply your square footage by 10, 15, or 20 depending on how bright you want it. This will help you get the exact amount of light the bedroom needs. So, let's go to natural lighting, and to be specific, the windows. I recommend raising the curtain rod 2 to 3 inches below the ceiling line to make your room feel bigger. Additionally, the room will feel loftier, and your windows will seem larger, making the space on the whole feel much more elegant. In order to choose the best color for your bedroom, you first need to consider the mood you want to create. So, for example, do you want to create a bright and cheerful mood? Or a cozy and muted mood? Either way, color will help you to achieve that. So, let's put it practically. Some of the best paint colors that give a cheerful, happy mood is 1. Pointing, which is an off-white hue because it has an internal light source that radiates and is very flattering to everyone in the room. 2 is gray cloud. This dreamy blue will give you a relaxing vibe for the bedroom and is also great for soothing the bathroom. If you are interested in this topic, I will do a separate video on this topic, but for now, let's go back to decorating the bedroom. Another thing to consider when it comes to the choice of color is how much sunlight the bedroom gets, and how the colors you're considering will look under both natural daylight and lamplight. And the last thing to consider is the bedroom's size. Do you want your small bedroom to feel larger, or does creating a bigger feeling space really not matter that much to you? If you want it to look larger, then be sure to watch my video on how to make a small room look big. If you would like to create a sophisticated look, then use one single shade or tones of the same color. So, for example, if you paint walls, doors, skirting, cupboards, and even window frames in the same color, you'll achieve a thoughtful and modern look. But, personally, I find this to work particularly well with soft grade blues and greens as well as any neutral shade. The good thing about color decoration is that you don't need to paint. Instead, you can take advantage of wallpapers to bring life to your space. I find the wallpapers to be an excellent solution for boring bedroom walls because it adds visual interest, texture, and warmth to any bedroom design. But what I love most about the wallpapers is that you can choose a wallpaper with a delicate pattern to add dimension, or a bold design to make a statement with your bedroom walls on a budget. And if you have an all-white bedroom that you want to decorate, then keep in mind texture is a must. You can introduce texture in a number of easy ways. One can be with natural flooring, wall paneling, and with bedding. I will talk about all this in a few. On the other hand, you can decorate the white bedroom with gold if you want a glamorous boudoir. But in general, I recommend you pick 1 or 2 colors you love, then repeat the hues in vibrant artwork, bold bedding, and colorful accents. When it comes to flooring, the first thing I would recommend is investing in an oversized area rug, because not only will it add more warmth to a bedroom, but it will also add texture, thus upgrading and refining the bedroom instantly. Well, of course that's if you choose the type of rug carefully, but how do you choose the right rug for your bedroom decor? 1. You need to know what colors will blend with your bedroom decor, because the color of the rug will set the tone on the entire space. So, for example, if you would like it to be the center of attention, then go for bold colors. This will instantly make a statement, but make sure it does not overwhelm the room. On the other hand, if you would like a rug that blends seamlessly into your overall bedroom design, then why not go with neutral tone rugs such as gray, beige, and ivory? Because not only will they work well with most color schemes, but they will also create a calming, sophisticated atmosphere in the bedroom. 2. You need to choose the right rug style for your bedroom. This is important because the style of your bedroom rug helps to complement the overall bedroom decor. Some great examples of these styles include modern or contemporary, which has clean lines and geometric patterns that tend to work well in modern bedrooms. Another rug style is a shaggy, cozy rug. These rugs are a great option for those who are aiming for coziness, and at the same time looking to add a touch of luxury and warmth. As I conclude this section, I would like to add that consider layering the rugs in order to add visual interest. But how can you do this? You can do this by 1. Placing a smaller rug on top of a larger one. And 2, you can layer different textures and patterns rugs. However, note that this technique will work well in hardwood floors. Don't forget the curtain lengths if you want a more luxurious look for your bedroom. I recommend hanging the curtains slightly higher than the window and going full length. By full length, I mean floor-to-ceiling curtains with no gaps. That's because shorter curtains tend to make the room look dated, and windows will feel small and boxed in. If you would like to have an intimate place in your bedroom to relax, read, or watch TV without interruption, then why not create a bedroom sitting area? I love it because it can also make the room appear more stylish and comfortable. So when it comes to this cozy corner, I recommend having proper lighting because it is essential for any bedroom sitting area. So do this by surrounding it with furniture with floor or table lamps that will provide soft, ambient light to convey a relaxing vibe. Then add a touch of nature to this area to enhance the serene and calm the bedroom atmosphere. You can either add a faux potted tree or a vase of fresh flowers or whatever plant you prefer. Now, what's left to complete the cozy corner area is to create a visual interest around the bedroom seats and put area rugs to define the borders of your sitting area. But how do you create visual interest? I recommend hanging artwork on the surrounding walls or place a colorful throw and decorative cushions on the furniture. Then add a rug with an attractive pattern. But be sure to choose the right size of rug that will complement each other with the other rug under the bed. That's it for me. Thanks for watching. And if you like my content, please consider subscribing to never miss any of my videos.